we'd now like to discuss the benefits and advantages that these products bring to the installation and commissioning process. Typically, multiple room sensors are installed on-site and in your applications. That being said, it becomes quite obvious that certain features and components need to be included to decrease overall install and commissioning time. This will have a direct impact on the overall project cost. We've created a fast and installation-friendly two-part design. After installing the mounting plate, the wiring can easily be done on the plate itself. Then the sensor is just simply snapped right back onto the plate, a much more straightforward and hassle-free design versus having a rigid terminal block mounted to the sensor base plate. If needed, locking screws can also be used to protect the sensor from unallowed removal. As we briefly mentioned earlier, we've incorporated near-field communication within these devices to not only enhance the commissioning process, but to also reduce the overall installation cost associated with the time taken to install these products. Believe it or not, these units actually don't require power for commissioning. What this means is, using NFC along with our Belimo Assistant app, you could pre-parameterize and change the settings of the sensors prior to customer delivery or installation. As you can imagine, this is a huge step towards reducing overall project costs. Within the Belimo Assistant app, which is available for both Androids and Apple smartphones, we're also able to change the field selectable outputs as well as customize measuring ranges. This means that the same part number can be used across multiple zones within your application, helping with variant management and streamlining the reordering process. Similar to the rest of the sensors portfolio, these room sensors can also communicate seamlessly with all major building automation systems through BACnet and Modbus.